This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to KKR Coders JavaScript tutorials. My name is Pusu Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about if statement in JavaScript. If is a conditional statement. If statement is a conditional statement, it is used in the different forms in JavaScript. If statement. Now go to the topic if statement. What is if statement? What are the different types of different various forms of if statement are available in JavaScript? It is a conditional statement. It is a conditional statement. What is conditional? Based on the condition, the statements are executed. It is a conditional statement. If statement is a conditional statement, the given condition returns true, then this statement will be executed. Otherwise, these statements are not executed. If is a conditional statement based on the condition, based on the condition, statements are executed. Based on the condition, the statements are executed. Based on the condition, returns either true or false. Any condition, every condition returns only two values. Only two values. A condition returns two values only. One value is either true value or false. True or false only, but not any other value. It returns only true value or false value. Now, in JavaScript, the if statement are available. The if statement are available different forms. Available in four forms. Available in four types. Four forms. Number one is simple if statement. Number one is simple if statement. Number two is, second one is if else statement. Second one is if else statement. First one is only simple if statement. Second one is if else statement. Third one is if else if statement. Again, in the else statement, if else if statement. And the fourth one is nested if statement. Nested if statement. In JavaScript, if statement are available in four different forms. The first one is simple if statement. What is simple if statement? Simple if statement. These statements are executed only when the condition returns true. Simple if statement. If the condition returns true, if the condition returns true, then body of the if statements are executed. If statements are executed. Basic syntax of if statement is if parenthesis start condition and the begin curly braces. We are writing only one statement, and statement two, and statement three, and so number of executable statement or statements. If this condition returns true, this is a condition. This condition returns true. These statements are executed. Otherwise, these statements are not executed. Based on the condition, statements are executed or not executed. For example, if n value is greater than 0, n greater than 0 is a condition. Here n greater than 0 is a condition. Now here in the syntax, in this syntax, here, if is a keyword. If is a keyword. Okay, clear? The next one is condition. Condition is a relational expression. It returns either true value or false. Only two values. It returns either true value or false. This is a simple if statement. Only no else part. Only true part. No false part. Only true part. If this condition returns true, this statement will be executed. Otherwise, this statement will not be executed. If is a keyword, condition is a relational expression. It returns either true value or false value. And next one. if the condition returns true, if the condition returns true, then what happens? Then statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and so on, statement n are executed. If the condition returns false, these statements are not executed. These statements are not. That is the basic syntax of the statement, only if statement. Basic syntax of the statement. The given condition returns true, these statements are executed. Only true part, but not the else part. Only true part. If n is greater than 0, begin curly braces. Document dot write off. Okay, given number is positive number. Okay, and this is the end of the end of this one. By using only if statement, only if the given if condition, this condition returns either true value or false value. This condition returns true. These statements are executed. For example, one more example. This is the first example. Another example. Okay. If for example time is, for example, time is greater than 6 and end operator. The time is less than 11, greater than 6 and less than 11. If the time is the greater than 6 and less than 11, print some value. Document dot write off. Document dot write off. Hi friends. Good morning. Hi friends. Document dot write off. Good morning. Else no option. Only true part. You are writing more than one statement. You are writing one statement or more than one statement. These statements are written in curly braces, compulsory in JavaScript. The curly braces is necessary because this is the beginning of the end and the end of the if statement. Because JavaScript, no begin statement, no end statement, and no indentation follows. JavaScript is a loosely typed programming language. Loosely typed programming, but not strictly typed. No case sensitive and so on. So JavaScript is using the if else in between the if statement. They are using curly braces between and the curly braces. Okay, right? The next one, for example, execute this statement. Now we are writing a HTML program, HTML. Okay, and the head of the section header and header and a tag and HTML end tag. Okay, and the statements are always written in the script between the script tag and between the script and tag. Okay, clear. Now we are writing a program. The program is variable declaration. Declaring some variables. What are the variables you are using? One variable is n. Now enter n value. N equal to param2. Param is the input statement. Enter any number. This is a param2. Enter the value. If n is greater than 0, given condition is when is greater than 0, the condition is begin curly braces. Document dot write off your entered number. Your entered number is positive number. Your entered number is positive number. Okay, clear up to here. Now and end of the if statement and run the module. This is a beginning scripting and end scripting and value. The end value entered from the keyboard. Now save the module, save the JavaScript, and run the JavaScript. Save the file in some h1.html and run the schedule. Now enter the number, first number, enter any number from the keyboard. This is a prompt. Enter any number prompt. You have entered number prompt. So now we are entering some value. For example, enter the value is 45. Now immediately enter some value. Value equal to your entered number is positive number. That is the result. Please observe this. Please observe the screen. Again, run the module. Again, the same program running again. Run the same program again. Enter any number. Enter any number. For example, you enter the number equal to 90. Your enter number is positive. Check only condition. The condition is if statement only. You are checking only for the if statement. Clear up to here, all of you. Now, this is the program, complete program for checking given number is positive number or negative number. Okay, clear. This is the first part. That is the first part. The part is simple if statement. That is only for the simple if statement. And the next one is we are using if else statement. If else. Here to check the positive condition and to check the true value and false value. If the given condition, if the given condition returns true, then true black will be executed. True black will be executed. True black will be executed. Otherwise, false black will be executed. False black will be executed. We are checking the true blacks. One is a true black, another one is a false black. The syntax is, what is the syntax of the if else? The syntax of if else is if condition, okay, beginning braces. Now this is a true black. True black means number of executable statements. What is true black? Number of executable statements. Here, true statements are true black. No problem. Anyone, you can call it anyone. Okay, true black, beginning and ending. Again, the end, else black, and the beginning of the else black. These are called as a false black. False black. Based on the condition, this condition returns false. This condition returns false. Here, what is true and what is false? Here, true, and here, if else are keywords. Both these are the keywords in JavaScript. If else are keywords in JavaScript. The second one, condition is a relational expression. Condition is a relational expression. It returns either true value or false value. It returns either true value or false value. This condition always returns either true value or false value. If the condition returns true, and then true black will be executed. True black will be executed. Clear up to here, all of you. True black will be executed. And the next one, if the condition returns true but not true, false, then this false black will be executed. False black will be executed. Clear? False black will be executed. This is a condition. This condition returns either true value or false value. Either true value or false value. Either true or false. Any one value only. If this condition returns true, then this black will be executed. If this condition returns false, then this black will be executed. If else are keywords, these two words is a if black and if else. If and else, these two are keywords in JavaScript. What is condition? This is a condition. This condition is a relational expression. It returns either true value or false value. Only two values, no other value. Either true or false relational expression. It's a relational expression. It returns true, then true black will be executed. This black will be executed. If this condition returns false, then the false black will be executed. Okay, clear up to here, guys. Go one simple testing. One example. Our example is, for example, to find the biggest of two numbers. To find it. If A is greater than B, this is a condition. A greater than B is a condition. Enter the A value and enter the B value. The beginning curly braces. Document dot write of A is greater than B. A is biggest. Condition returns true. A is biggest. Otherwise, and end of this part. Else, and I check the else part. And if true value or false value. Okay. and true value or false. This is a black, true value or false value. Based on the value, okay, document dot write off B is biggest. Run the program immediately, but the program enclosed between the script tag and the script tag. First of all, to enter the two values, you are writing this is the black, this is the black. Now if A greater than B, condition checking. HTML tag, header tag, and header tag. Script tag. The script always returns in JavaScript, always returns the script tag between the and the script tag. If A greater than B, A is biggest, else the B is biggest. Now these two elements are entered from the keyboard. AR of AB or VAR variable. Both A and B are variables. A equal to prompt of enter first number. Enter the first number. We want the first number. And the B equal to prompt the second number. Enter second number. Enter both two values from the keyboard. After check this condition returns true. This statement will be executed. Otherwise, this statement will be executed. Now save the file and run the module. Here and the script tag ending. Right, 1 minute HTML header, tag header, script value, and here semicolon mixing some values. If A greater than B, and run the module and save the section and run one. Okay, enter the first number. You enter any number, the first number equal to 8. Okay, enter first number. After entering first number, press the OK button. The next one, please observe this one. Enter the second number. After enter the second number is 45. Enter the value. So here A is biggest. Okay. Now run this module. Please wait. Okay, A greater than B value. Now the A value is so and so. A is biggest value. Here enter the first number, some value. Enter the second number, some value. This condition, based on this condition, returns either true value or false value. Clear up here? Read. Run one more time. Okay. Run this module. For example, enter any number, the value equal to, for example, first number is 2. Okay. And the second number is 90. Run this module. B is biggest. First number is 2. Second number is 90. Here, what is the value of the A? What is the value of the A value is 2 and the B value is 90. This condition, A value 2 and the B value is 90. Enter the first number, enter the second number. If A is greater than B, checking condition. 2 is greater than 90. 2 is greater than 90. This condition returns false. This condition returns false. Then immediately execute this black. This black is B is the biggest value, that is the output, to print the output on the web browser. Any web browser. Okay, clear up to here, guys? Now we are discussing in part 1. This is the part 1 of the if statement, and the part 2 we will discuss another 2 statements, if else elif statement. And in part 1 we are discussing what is simple if statement and what is if else statement. What is simple if statement and what is if else statement in part 1. If statement in part 1 and if statement in part 2 is another video. In that video we are discussing 2 more if else statements, if else elif statement and nested if statement. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe KKR Coders. You're watching Python, C, C++, Java, Script, AWS, and DevOps videos in a few days. Thank you very much for watching this video.